Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I received a lot of comments and great questions on my previous video on Bosch dishwasher demo. So I decided to make this follow-up video to answer one of the top questions, that is which utensils to be cleaned in dishwasher. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe button here and get updates about all my upcoming videos. Welcome to Suchi Stream. Before understanding about the compatibility of the utensils, let's first understand how dishes are cleaned in the dishwasher. Dishwasher cleans utensils using following methods: detergents with enzymes. Dishwashers detergents have special enzymes and chemicals which reacts with food particles and loosen it. Second is high temperature, very high temperature, 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, loosen the sticky and hard stains further. Third is continuous high speed water. Continuous high speed water jet and shower which removes the dirt in pressure. So water comes from here. To see how the shower works inside the dishwasher, please check my video inside dishwasher. I'll give the link in the description box and also in the end screen. Fourth is hot steam. At the end, the hot steam sanitizes the utensils by killing germs and bacteria. It also dries the utensils well. So any utensils which can't stand well at high temperature enzyme shouldn't be used in dishwasher. Based on my personal experience of last 6 months dishwashers usage, I have categorized utensils in following three categories. One is recommended utensils. Second is non-recommended by company but can be cleaned occasionally. Third is never recommended. Now I'll show you each category one by one. So number one is recommended utensils: steel, glass, ceramics, microwave or dishwasher friendly plastics. Coming to steel, this is 3.5-liter steel cooker which I bought after buying dishwasher. It's sufficient for 3 members family and it gets cleaned very well inside dishwasher. You can also buy bigger size cooker because there is a lot of space inside dishwasher. Its handle has non-steel material which is dishwasher friendly. There are other steel items like kadhai, saucepan, tea strainer or channi which also gets cleaned very nicely inside dishwasher by the jet pressure. Next is ceramic. It's very compatible and gets cleaned very nicely inside the dishwasher. Next is glass. I found that dishwasher cleans glass items better than hand wash, mainly because of steam, dry and rinse it. Next is dishwasher friendly plastic. Only microwave and dishwasher friendly plastic should be clean, otherwise plastic can get melted in hot water. This baby food bowl, and it has dishwasher friendly symbols showing fork and glass. Second is not recommended by company but can be cleaned occasionally. I used it initially. That is aluminum, copper. So next is aluminum cooker. It cleans well but gets discolored due to reaction with detergent enzyme. You can see how it get reacted and it has been discolored. So next is copper. Similar to aluminum, copper also loses its shine. It gets discolored. Here is the example. This is the steel saucepan. It lost its copper coating. You can see here. This cooker lead and rubber. I clean it in dishwasher, but there is a risk that it may lose shape after several cleaning in high temperature inside dishwasher. All these items will not create any big issue in occasional usage. I clean this sometimes in dishwasher, but I'll suggest to slowly upgrade your kitchen utensils to recommended utensils. It will be an additional cost initially, but it's definitely worth in the long term. So third is never recommended utensils. So that is ordinary plastics, iron, non-stick utensils, wooden items and expensive metals like silver. Temperature and detergents enzyme can damage utensils and consequently dishwasher. Coming to wood item, this can crack while soaking for a long time in water at high temperature. So avoid it. You can see the crack over here. I have put in the dishwasher once. So next is plastic. It can melt inside the dishwasher. It will not only spoil the utensil but can also damage dishwasher's part. I even avoid using a steel item which have ordinary plastic in it. For example, knife, mixer jar, hot box. You can see the crack in the hot box. I have put it inside the dishwasher once. Here is the crack. So avoid using this kind of plastic inside the dishwasher. It can really spoil your utensils. So next is iron. It reacts with detergent very fast. When I tried to clean my tawa, I found that small iron particles got stuck in my dishwasher's filter. So completely avoid it. Silver and non-stick. Silver is an expensive item, so avoid it using it inside the dishwasher. It can spoil it. Non-stick item, if put inside the dishwasher, can lose its coating and spoil your utensils. Some tips before cleaning a new utensils. Please ensure that you remove the sticker or tags from it, otherwise it may melt inside the dishwasher. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any further query, please comment below. If you have not watched my previous video on dishwasher demo, then please watch for the prior context. I'll give you the link in description box as well, and you can also see in the end screen.